This 2017 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 37BH is a Super CRV. It is located in Ocala, FL 34473 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Dynamax Corp is 39 feet 0 inches in length and features Sleep 6 Slideout. The floor plan layout of this Super C features bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment. This 2017 Dynamax Corp Dynaquest XL 37BH is built on a Freightliner M2 2112 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.